Okay, family in Oz, we are officially in the midst of a real blizzard. I'm about to try and open this door for you so you can see outside. That, just from where I'm standing right now, is about, well, it's well over a foot of snow. That's a lot. So hopefully you can hear this. And, okay. Oh, it's really hard to open the door. So you can see that there's that much coming up, but then it goes all the way down here, because that's where the actual deck starts. Pearl would probably be a good indicator of how deep it is because she'll sink and it'll be all the way up to her back. It's our chair. That's how much snow has fallen. The wind is whipping around like crazy, so that's actually snow stuck to the bricks. Can see our grill. So, not really. It's pretty insane. Hold on, let's see if we can get Pearl to go out. Nope, not even Pearl's going out. I managed to catch the one moment when there's not such crazy wind blowing that you have to close the door. So enjoy this peaceful peek at the blizzard, because probably in about 2 seconds, oh, there we go. Gotta close the door. Wind's coming back in, but shit.